Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be talking about how you can reset your password on Subway. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into our video. So the first thing you need to do is open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.subway.com. Once you type in the URL, you will be redirected to its official website. So once you're in its website, all you need to do is accept all the cookies and click on the profile icon on the right hand side of the screen. Once you click the profile icon, you will be redirected to the login page. So once you are here, you need to click on Forgot Your Password option, which is right below the Don't Have an Account option. So as you press on Forgot Your Password option, you will be redirected to a different interface after some while. So after a few seconds, you will be redirected to a page where you need to type in your email address. Once you are done typing in an email address, you will get a code on your email address which you need to type in to reset your password. Once you type in the 6-digit verification code, you need to confirm it, and once this is done, you are now able to type in a new password. So now you need to type in or create a new or stronger password which is easy to remember for you. After you are done filling it once, you need to confirm your password again. So once you are done filling in the password both of the times, you are all set with a resetted password on your Subway account. This way you can reset password on Subway. I hope this video was helpful to you all, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.